Hello and welcome to our online course. This learning management system we're going to use is called Schoology. So just simply type in schoology.com or click the link in this email. And I'm going to give you a very quick tutorial of Schoology. So if you've never used Schoology, you're going to sign up as a student. If you have already used Schoology in a previous course, you're going to simply click log in. So I've already used Schoology, so I'm going to click log in. But if you do click sign up, do it as a student and just follow the prompts. So when I log in, here I am, I've logged in, and if you've already taken a course, then you're going to want to just come here to courses and then click join a course. If you're new, this option will appear for you right up front. So here I'm going to click join a course, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put in the access code for this course, and then I'm going to click join. And now what you're going to see is our welcome to Google Sheets. And you will see actually when you log in, all 4 weeks available for you. But for right now, I've only enabled the first week. So here is your home screen. And here in materials, this is where it will list all the different weeks so you can toggle through. They will also appear here for you. If you click here, this just gives, well, before even clicking, this just gives you a little overview from me. Just a quick reminder that all videos, you're going to need to click the little open a new window icon to get them to play. For some reason, they won't play here right inside Schoology, but that's only for video tutorials. So when you click here on this folder, it will bring you into the folder, and now you're going to see all of the things available to you. So really most important is our online course agreement, just making sure that you're going to be a great participant, and just a reminder of the expectations in this course. Here, because you are an Avon employee, we are asking that you make a choice as to whether you're going to do the work during school hours and not get paid for this coursework, or after and outside of school hours and get paid for it. Please note that if you choose to do the work outside of school hours and get paid for it, you must do the work outside of school hours. If you are doing the work during, you may not be compensated for the coursework. Then you'll see this tutorial that I've created for you. And now you're going to see our roadmap again that I've already shared with you, a Google Sheets tutorial video that I created in YouTube. Here is a slide deck of just some basics, but then I also created a video talking you a little bit through it. And then here, this is a discussion, and I'm going to ask that you introduce yourself, what building you teach in, your role, and anything else you'd like to share with the group, just to kind of get to know each other for the that you're going to be working with for the next few weeks. And then here, I'm wondering if there's something you're wondering about, need more clarification, post it there. You can also email me. And then if there were future weeks, or even to move through each of these, you can click that next button. Here, there will be the option for me to email the group, but you can also email me and you'll get the correspondence and notification there. Also, if I post a notification or something opens up, that will be here and you'll have that little icon there for you as well. So I hope you enjoy. Please play around and enjoy our course.